Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. You all can tell that I'm in a different setting today. Yes, I'm actually out of my state. I live in Texas, but right now I'm in South Carolina. I came to celebrate another winning for my hobby. All right. I like to leave my family out of the after my social life because that's what they desire. I'm the one that signed up for being out there. They don't wish to be on the camera, so that's why I try as much as I can to keep them out of it and respect their privacy. But in the future, if they desire to feature in any of my video, I'll be so glad to feature them. All right. So with that being said, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. I'm also going to be featured. Let me know your thought about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into today's video. So ladies, while I was packing my my stuff for this trip, when I got to my makeup section, I realized and remembered I got some PR packages from imethod. imethod are into cosmetics. They have eyeliner stamp. Yes, that was what I featured before, their eyeliner stamp, which I really like. Their liquid eyeliner stamp, yes, that you can use in two other ways. They have the stamp and you have the liner. I feature it already on this channel and I love it. So for today's video, we're going to be trying this lip balm. Should I call it a lip balm? Yeah, I call it a lip it's called power on plumbing lip gloss. Yes, it's a lip gloss, so it's supposed to plump up your lips if you want your lips to look a little bit bigger. I don't really desire that because I love my lips the way they are, but I know some of my ladies out there, they really like that. I actually want to see how this is going to work, if it's really going to work. So this is going to be like a short unboxing and trying this plumbing lip gloss, and let's see how this works. I believe they have the instruction on the package, and this product is by imethod. I am going to be trying it out. They are on Amazon. They have liquid eyeliner stamp, they have brow stamp, they have blush. Their blush, you can use it in three different ways. You could use it as a blush, as a lipstick, and also as an eyeshadow. I received this also, which is the blush that I'm talking about. So for today's video, I'm going to concentrate more on this. It's all about this plumbing lip gloss by imethod. So this lip plumbing is supposed to give you a fuller coverage color without losing the fullness of a plumber. imethod lip plumbing lips gloss not only volumize filling lines and soften lips, but they also had a mega dose of shine for all ultra glossy finish. They have it in 4 shades on their website, and it is written there on their website as well, because I'm reading from it, of course. It says imethod lip plumbing gloss effortlessly glide on and offers a long-lasting time without drying out your lips. A combination of ginger and mint in the creamy formula makes lips look fuller. The lip plumbing gloss offers nourishing must-have ingredients like vitamin E, to soften and smooth. All 4 glossy hues are equally gorgeous. You can apply a tiny layer on its own or over your favorite lipstick for a quick plump job. So we are going to give this a try. We will go according to their instructions and let's see how this is going to work. You all can tell I do not have any lipstick. I have no lip balm. I did not even put my lip conditioner on after I took my bath. I did not put that on at all because I wanted to let this work on its own, let it do its job. So this is how it looks on the package. You all can see right here. It has the imethod and it has their social media handle at the back. It says power on. It might be upside down because I'm using the front of my camera to film right now. It says power on. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up the box and let's see at what shade I have in here. On the box, it says 603. So ladies, you all know how I like to give you, like, I try as much as I can to give you full detail of every product I feature on this channel. And I just read on the box that you might experience an intense tingly for between 5 to 10 minutes, which I think that's a long time to experience something like that. But I am keeping my finger crossed. I am doing this for you and you and you watching me, because like I said in the beginning, I don't really desire for my lips to be plumby, like, like that. I mean, I wouldn't mind it to be glossy, but me reading it on the box that you might experience that form of tingling for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see how this goes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and let's see. Moment of truth. Ladies, to be honest, I experienced the tingling and I'm still experiencing it right now. It's not that hurtful, it's not that kind of unbearable. Yes, it's not unbearable. You can bear it. It gives you that sensation like if you ever use a dusting powder. If you're from Nigeria, if you know that dusting powder we use for babies, if you ever used it before, that kind of tingling effect, that's what I'm getting. And you all know that dusting powder will put it on our body and you have that sensation. So that's the kind of sensation I'm getting right now. It's not something that you cannot bear. It is very, very bearable. And this is how it is looking. I love it. I love it. Look at it. No liner. I didn't put any form of liner, but it's very glossy, it's very shining, and it feels like it moisturizes my lips at the same time. I'm still feeling the tingling. Remember, it says on the box you might experience some sort of intense tingling from 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm still feeling it like I am talking to you, but I don't feel like maybe it's itchy or anything. It's just that sensation like you get from dusting powder, the one we used to use for the babies back in Nigeria. But you all can tell that the color, it's beautiful. This one says 603. They have 4 shades on their website. You can check them out, and also I'll put a link to this product in the description box. Like I said, it's from imethod. So if you want to have this effect, yeah, I think you should give it a try. You all can really testify to how it's just changed. This lip gloss just changed my look, and it goes well with the makeup that I have on, which is very, very light, and I love the glossy effects. It is beautiful. I mean, it's not hard, it's not sticky. I'm talking, you are not seeing any line in between. You know how some gloss, when you put them on and you're talking, your lips, if you open your mouth, you're seeing some kind of like it's melting. No, it stays on point. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please do check in the description box for the links to this website and this particular lip gloss, plumbing lip gloss that I'm featuring today by imethod. And please let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well, and don't forget to check the link in the description box that will lead you to imethod website. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.